your favorite color?
Blue. But I do like pink and orange. I like, there's a flavor of Skittles that has like such nice colors. They're like Easter colors. It's like pale pink, blue, and green, and like tangerine. I love those colors together. So my first time I made a chessboard, I started with the pieces. Just carved out each piece using the scroll saw. So I was dating this girl once, and we're out at, where were we? We were at this bar I go to, and she orders a beer, and the waitress or the server, I don't know, the waitress is politically incorrect, I don't know. Fucking, she says a pint or a bottle, and this girl says, what's the difference? And in my head I'm thinking, all right, this will probably be the last date. Like, what the, she been living under a rock? She was pretty much living under a rock. She's the girl I dumped to play Zelda.
Which Zelda?
Breath of the Wild.
Oh, of course. Okay.
I was like, well, Hyrule ain't gonna save itself, babe. Take a hike. And then shaped it with like handheld rotary tool.
Spin it for me real quick.
Need some butthole utensils. Oh, that's all right. Can you see that? And then sanded it up, oiled it. Then the chess piece was done. It might break like the spoon.
Do it, Mikey, oil me. Huh?
They say to like rub it in, work it in, then let it sit for a certain amount of minutes. I like to just rub it in for that whole time. Just keep on rubbing it in for as long as you'd let it sit. You go for a walk around back and you're rubbing your wood. Neighbors come by, give them a wave. You're just sitting there rubbing your wood. You know what? I was disappointed as soon as I went a little too far with my new little, I don't even know what the bit is called. It's just got a bunch of little burrs in it. Sculpts wood real good. I went a little too far with it and I was kind of mad, but I'm not mad anymore. Not even completely. Oh, it's its own shape. Beeswax finish. What do you think, bee? Is that a bee? Looks like a kind of a bee. Hornet bee. This guy seems to approve though. He does. He's like, that smells like beeswax. I think I made that shit. For kings.
I curse like my father and drink like my mother when I'm mad. I killed all my exes, got a list of friends that ain't coming back. Been sleeping with another, but she's not the one I wanna go home to. There's nothing in my heart, it's just blood, guts, energy, and you.